Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create bootable USB of Windows 11. So guys, let's quickly start the video. You can open any of your favorite browser and search for Windows 11 download. So guys, here you can see the result. Here it's showing official website of Microsoft, and here we have link. Simply click on this link. So guys, it will redirect you to the Microsoft website, and here you have to just scroll down. We are not going to download installer, we are going to download ISO file, that is disk image, and that ISO file we are going to write to our USB by using Rufus software. So first let's download ISO file. So quickly scroll down, and guys, here you can see we have information about this. So and here we have select the download. So I will click on this select the download button. If I click on download now button, it is going to show me error message because I have not selected what is to be downloaded. So just select the download. So it is going to be what Windows 11. So just select it and click on download now button. So guys, now here as soon as you click on download now button, it will validate your request, and after that it will ask you for choosing a language. So here I'm going to select English US, that is the language. You can select as per your preference and click on confirm button. So guys, again it will validate your request, and after that guys, you can see here it's showing me 64-bit download. So I'm going to click on this link. So guys, it is going to take a moment because the download is in GB. So here you can see guys, my download is done now. Now you cannot open this ISO directly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install a software known as Rufus. So here on my browser I'm just searching for Rufus. So just search it, and guys, here you can see it's showing me the official website for Rufus. Just click on this link, and after that guys, you can see here it has shown the instruction for creating a bootable USB drive. And just scroll down and select the latest version of this Rufus. So it is a exe file. It will hardly take a moment for downloading it. So you can see my download is quickly done. Now I don't need to install it because it is exe file. I can directly use it. So I'm just clicking on this exe button and I'm minimizing my browser guys, and now here it is showing me this message. So it is asking me whether to follow update or not. So I'm just clicking on no button. If you want, you can click on yes button also if you want any update is to be checked. So here simply I'm clicking on no button, and guys, here it's showing me this screen. Here you will get all your drive information, but here you can see my device is coming blank because I have not connected my pen drive. Okay, so guys, I'm quickly connecting my pen drive to my system. As soon as I connect my pen drive, it will show the name. So here you can see now it's showing me my name of my pen drive. Previously I had installed FOSS Cloud, so I have created this bootable PD of FOSS. So it's showing me that in boot selection, select disk or image ISO. So that is the thing is to be selected, and now we need to click on this select button for browsing our ISO file, that is Windows 11 ISO file. So just browse that ISO file wherever you have downloaded. So now guys, here it's showing the various information, image option, standard Windows installation. All these things are default. I'm keeping here in volume level. I'm just changing name of my volume. I'm just keeping name as Windows 11, and then here in file system, everything I'm keeping default guys. And now you can see this advanced feature also, or you can click on start button. So here it's asking customize Windows installation. So if you want to change anything, here you can select it. I'm keeping everything default and OK button. So guys, now it's showing me warning that all your data will be erased. If it is fine for you, you can click on OK button. So guys, now you can see the creation of bootable USB has been started. Again, it is going to take a while guys, so please wait for it. So guys, now here you can see my and this bootable PD creation is done. It's showing me ready option over here, and now I'm going to click on this close button. So guys, now my Windows 11 PD is ready. Now you can see it has started this, and if you remove and insert your pen drive, then you can see a different icon in your file manager. Okay, so now here I'm just removing and inserting. You can see it's a bootable PD, and you can see guys the volume label is Windows 11 which we gave, right? So guys, this way you can create your Windows 11 bootable PD. Very simple it is. So I hope guys by following my video you are able to successfully create bootable USB for Windows 11. So guys, if really my video has helped you, then don't forget to hit on like button, and if any query you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please support me by subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit on bell icon. And guys, also I'm sharing lots of PDF and notes on my Telegram channel. You can join that. I have given all my social media link in description box. You can follow me there also guys. So thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care and keep learning guys.